like. So, today we're gonna listen for the word like. You'll know I say the word like because you'll see the picture and you'll hear this noise. I can use the word like in a lot of different ways. I could say, my monkey likes cookies. I could say, I like to blow bubbles. I could say, I like hot cocoa. Or that the monkey does not like the music. Listen for the word like. Let's go.
I love bacon, yes I do. It's the best.
Like.
Oh, whoa. I love bacon.
Oh, hey, it's me, Mr. Clay. Say, would you like to help me today? Awesome. I like making things, and so I was gonna make this unicorn. What do you think? You wanna help? Great. The cool thing about this unicorn is we can make it look like whatever we want it to. Here's the unicorn. I like that. And I have a bunch of colors. I have blue and white and purple and pink and yellow and green. I like all these colors. I even brought some extra paint just in case. I've got paint brushes. Ooh, I like these pipe cleaners. We can maybe use these. I've got all kinds of glitter, pink glitter. I can't tell what color that is, but I like it. And then these are silver stars. Here's some glue. And it sounds like, let's see. It sounds like, yeah. There's a bunch of jewels. And look, some eyes. I like all of this stuff. I think it's gonna make my unicorn look amazing. I hope you like it when we're done. Okay, let's start with some paint. I think that I like the green and the blue. I'm gonna open the blue. Okay, I'm gonna get a little bit of blue. And I like a little circle right there. And maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little lines. It looks like a sun or a flower. I really like that. Let's try some green. This time, I'm gonna use this bigger brush and see what it looks like. Whoa. I'm gonna paint a stripe here. Ooh, I like that. And I'm gonna paint a stripe here. Do you like that? Wow. I'm gonna turn him around. I'm gonna put another one here. Whoa. I really, really like this unicorn. I'm gonna get another blue, but instead of a flower this time, I'm gonna make a spiral. I like spirals. It doesn't have to be perfect, as long as I like it. What do you think? I think that that looks great. Maybe one more little thing. Let's draw a little blue mouth. Let's see. I think I like it right here. And then on this side. I like my unicorn to be happy. But you can make your unicorn however you like. Okay, now let's open this glue. I think what I'm gonna do is put some glue on the unicorn's horn and then pick out a glitter that I like. Okay, ooh. I'm gonna use this brush to get the glue on a little bit better. Da, 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 da. Ooh, I like this. What do you guys think? Do you like my unicorn? I think I like the purple glitter. Let's see. Oh, I made a mess, but that's okay. I like making messes. Wow, look at that. That looks great. That's awesome. Okay, I really like the glitter, so now I'm gonna add some glitter to its tail. First, put a bunch of glue. Then, let's paint the glue again. I really like doing crafts. Do you like to do them? That's awesome. Okay, now let's use the silver stars. Here we go. Oh, those don't come out that fast, but that's okay. Maybe we can do some stars. And I like this one too. So let's do this pink color. Oh wow, I really like that. I like that we mixed them up. Oh my goodness, that looks great. Now, let's see if we like these on there. I like this kind of purple colored one. I think we can twist it up and maybe make it look like the mane of the horse. Let's see if we like it. I don't know if I like that, but I'm gonna leave it and see what it looks like when it dries. The last thing that I'm gonna do is put on some of these jewels. I got eyes and flowers and stuff. Let's see. I like this blue eye. Put it right here. And I like another eye right here. I like mine to look kind of funny, so I'm going to put a different color eye. And then some flowers. And jewels. Ta-da! What do you think? Do you like my unicorn? He's not perfect, but I really, really like it. Okay, well, I've got to go because I have a huge mess to clean up, but I had a lot of fun. Remember, you are awesome. See you later. like. Like. Hey, one more thing. I wanted to tell you that today's symbols are from the Fluent AAC app. It's a wonderful new app that's an AAC app that I think you're really gonna like. There's a link down in the description. I want you to check it out. Let us know what you think. Thanks again, Fluent AAC. See you later, guys.